for the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train in the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no channel for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat and tears and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. And today.
Here we go, guys. 24 hours before LST. And as you can tell, the crunch is real. Everybody will be seeing this once we're already there, but we're going to get there. It is about 6 o'clock in the morning right now. But we have made some leaps and bounds with this thing. So I'm going to give you guys a little shot, and then hopefully you guys can see it when we get to LST. She's showing up in primer, but I think it looks better than everything's ran. She does air up on her own. Man, a lot of stuff to do still. The truck will be parked up at the No Regrets spot at LST. So please come by and check it out. Bullshit with us. Kind of get some insights on some of the details. And we will see you at the show. So here we go, guys. It is Thursday. We are heading for LST. The fucking shop's destroyed. Blazer's not exactly where we want it to be, but it's gonna be fucking badass. We are showing up this time. No braking, no issues going on, right? DJ's laughing, but I think we got this. Well, don't know what battery charger for my batteries are. Oh, that's true. Alright, so like I was saying, we are loaded up, about ready to head down south. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We got Hellraiser loaded up. We should have a good trip, safe trip, whatever else you could say, guys. But she is on the trailer. She is ready to go. Enjoy the show. We'll see you there. Yeah. Later, guys.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. We stillin' at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still tryna flip it out the stove. Rockin' fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to go. I don't wanna live life fast or die too young. Die too young. 100 miles per hour, I might crash, cause the good die young. Yeah, the good die young. Push it to the limit, I can't go no more. Red light, no way, I'm coming back home. Long dirt road, all on my own. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. Cause I'm coming back home. Cause I'm coming back home. Right back where I left because I know my people needed me. Diamond in the
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I blow soon, soon. Knew as a child, back in the room. Oh, told her step back, I need more room, room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom. They tryna talk, they not in a room. I been so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lower, I don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate, but like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I will soon, soon. Knew as a child, back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room, room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm hopping now I gotta go. I'm looking back, they not even close. I had a 4, now I need a ghost. I got a wave like I'm on the coast. Same ones are doubting, I dare to show. So way that I'm ballin', they think I'm a pro. I'm getting sick by the money I gross. They saying whoa, I told them all what this is. I told them all I don't miss. Said it's my time, look at this shit on my wrist. And when they shootin' this brace, I'm going in. Ain't a new gig, gotta shift. I cannot stick to the script, I cannot wait. Watch how I get it and flip. It's just how I'm doing this shit and I'm gone.